everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use all the key functions of the VT Flow headset. Let's get started. First, let's power the headset on and off. Just press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn it on, and for 3 seconds to turn it off. On the left ear cup, there's a button for sound mode. Tap it to switch between ANC and hear through. When you are in ANC mode, just hold it for 3 seconds. You can switch between different ANC levels. On the right ear cup, the top button lets you mute or unmute the microphone during a call. The middle button is your play/pause button. Press it once to play or pause your music. The top and bottom buttons are for volume up and volume down when you are listening to music or on a call. To turn the busy light on or off manually, press the volume up and volume down buttons together for 2 seconds. The big button in the middle is for calls. Press once to answer or end a call. Double press to reject a call. Press and hold the call button for 2 seconds to put your current call on hold and answer a new incoming call, or to switch between the call on hold and the active call. Finally, here's how to reset your VT Flow. Make sure the headset is on. Then, hold the call button and volume up button together for 3 seconds. The headset will power off. Clear paired devices, and next time you power on, it will go straight into pairing mode. That's it. Now you know all the key functions of the VT Flow headset. Thanks for watching and see you next time.